Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Tesla Model S. What can we expect from this electric powerhouse? Let's find out. First up, where can you find the most reliable information about the 2025 Model S? With Tesla's innovative updates, their official website and social media are buzzing with announcements. But how can you tell what's genuine? Always check Tesla's official communications and reputable automotive news outlets. Is there any major reveal planned? Stay tuned for events like Battery Day or other launches where new features might be unveiled. Now let's talk performance. How does the 2025 Model S stack up against its predecessors? Early reviews suggest it will offer even better acceleration and range. But what are the specifics? Expect improved battery technology that could push the range beyond 400 miles. How does this benefit drivers? Longer trips with fewer charging stops, making it ideal for road trips. What about the user experience? Will the interior continue to impress? Absolutely. The 2025 Model S is set to feature a minimalist design with a massive touchscreen interface. But is it intuitive? Yes. Tesla's user-friendly software keeps getting better, allowing for easy navigation and customization. How does it handle updates? Over-the-air software updates ensure your car is always up to date with the latest features. So, what's the final takeaway for potential buyers? The 2025 Tesla Model S promises cutting-edge performance, an impressive range, and a user-friendly experience. Is it the right electric car for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric vehicles. Until next time, keep driving forward. Thanks for watching.